Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a breakfast debate that's been making waves in the health world. Which one's the best for a healthy weight, and does it differ between men and women? Alright, so let's break it down. We all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but what you start your day with can set the tone for your energy levels, your focus, and, yep, even your weight. So, should you be reaching for those oats or avocado? Let's talk about how carbs and fats play out for men and women. For some people, carbs are the go-to. Think oatmeal, whole grain toast, fruit, things that give you that quick energy boost to kickstart your day. Carbs can be especially helpful for people who have a busy morning or a tough workout because they give you fast-acting fuel. But here's where it gets interesting. For women especially, there's some research suggesting that starting the day with carbs may help stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day, which is key for maintaining a healthy weight. But men, on the other hand, might benefit from a bit more balance in the morning. While carbs can help with that quick energy, a heavy carb-based breakfast can lead to an energy crash later on, which could mean grabbing for snacks or caffeine to get through the morning. Alright, now let's talk about fat. Think eggs, avocados, nuts, these kinds of foods. They're slower to digest, so they give a more sustained energy release. For men, fats for breakfast can be a real game changer because they tend to keep hunger in check longer. So if you're looking to curb those cravings throughout the day, a fat-heavy breakfast can be a solid move. Plus, studies show that men may respond well to a higher fat breakfast when it comes to stabilizing weight and even maintaining muscle mass. For women, though, it's a bit of a mixed bag. Some women do great with fats in the morning and find they stay fuller longer, which helps with weight control. But for others, too much fat and not enough carbs can make it harder to stabilize blood sugar, leading to cravings later. Honestly, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. For men, a high-fat breakfast might offer longer satiety and help maintain lean muscle. For women, a balance of carbs with a bit of protein and fat often works best. But remember, everyone's body is unique. If you're looking to dial in your breakfast for your weight goals, think about your energy needs, your hunger levels, and how your body feels after different breakfasts. Test out a carb-focused morning, then try a higher fat meal the next day, and see which one keeps you feeling your best. That's it for today's breakfast breakdown. Hope this helped clear up some of the carb versus fat debate. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments. Are you team carbs or team fats?